Part 2, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. A breath of fresh air. Hindi, Tazgi dene wali cheez ya vyakti. Explanation, someone or something that feels new, positive, and refreshing. Example, the new teacher was a breath of fresh air for the students. 2. A case in point. Hindi, Sahi udaharan. Explanation, a good example that proves what you are saying. Example, his success is a case in point that hard work pays off. 3. A cat on a hot tin roof. Hindi, Bahut bichan vyakti. Explanation, someone who is extremely nervous or restless. Example, before the result, he was like a cat on a hot tin roof. 4. A chip off the old block. Hindi, bilkul mata pita jaisa. Explanation, a child who behaves or looks like their parent. Example, Rahul is a chip off the old block, just like his father. 5. A closed book. Hindi, kuch aisa jise samajhna mushkil ho. Explanation, something or someone difficult to understand. Example, chemistry was a closed book to me last year. 6. A cog in the wheel. Hindi, bade kaam ka chota hissa. Explanation, a person who's just a small part of a big system. Example, in a big company, every worker is a cog in the wheel. 7. A conflict of interest. Hindi, hito ka karav. Explanation, a situation where someone cannot be fair because of personal benefit. Example, he was removed from the panel due to a conflict of interest. 8. A cut above Hindi. Dusro se behatar. Explanation, better than others in quality or ability. Example, her presentation was a cut above the rest. 9. A dead letter. Hindi, aisa niyam ya baat jiska palan nahi hota. Explanation, something that is no longer followed or considered important. Example, that old law has become a dead letter now. 10. A dime a dozen. Hindi, bahut aam aur asani se milne wala. Explanation, something very common and not special. Example, cheap toys like these are a dime a dozen.